just a quick tip on small nails and pine wood. This little old pine strip here is probably 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch, and I just need it up against this to fill in a gap is all I'm doing it for. But if I were to try to hammer this into this wood, this little pine will split. So I'm going to turn it over, and I use screws on this one, but turn it over and set it on there, and you can do this like on concrete or anything really. You could do it. I mean, this is just, you could do it on wood. We just tap it on the end, kind of blunt that end. Now if you're not careful, you will bend it, and which is what I did there, just bend it just a little bit, but I'm going to use it anyway. But then you just set it and try to get as far away from this end as you can. I know sometimes you can't, and you want to get up there as close as you can, but I'm going to get up there about an inch, maybe an inch and a half away from that end. But no matter how close you get, well, I'm not going to say that, but it will not split the wood as long as you blunt that end, and I don't know why that is. But there you go. No split. All right. That's my tip for the day.